This video demonstrates how to use a toddler's interest in toy cars to develop a simple play scheme, driving cars or vehicles. The use of visual supports and containment are used to structure the early learning activity and the play scheme. A tray, lid to a container, has been fitted with a small plastic produce container which has been turned upside down. This small upside-down container has a square cut out of one corner and is attached to the lid to make a garage. To the right of the garage, a construction paper road has been attached to the tray. The road leads to the square opening in the garage. 3 vehicles, 2 cars, and a bus are on the tray.
There you go. Oh man, I got a bus too. We're gonna go into the garage.
Can you go home, Lawrence? Can you go go home? Good job, Lawrence. Oh, yeah.
Woohoo!
Bye bye.
Yeah, in the garage. Oh, it's a big bus. Car's going. Oh, and I even got a blue car, huh? Woohoo! And here comes the bus. Beep beep. Big school bus. That's a bus. Big bus.
Bus has got to go home. Vroom, vroom.
Bye bye, bus. Magic bus.
Vroom, vroom. Good job, Lawrence. Good. Vroom, vroom.
Woohoo! All right.